Welcome back for part 2 of the Beko cleanup. I have done a tub clean cycle on it. I have cleaned all the seal. That looks really good. I've cleaned the drawer, and I did a cycle in it, but for some reason I can't get, I don't know why, but the fabric softener wasn't working, so it didn't go through. Let me just get rid of this. So basically what I just want to do with this machine is give it a bit of a tidy up. I want to get that soap drawer out and completely clean it and soak it. Dismantle the door and clean underneath on the inside of the glass. But the first thing I need to do is to blast inside there, because I still think there's a lot of crud stuck in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it around, face it out the door, tip it forward, and have a good old thing with the hose pipe underneath it to clear it out, and tip it on its side and take a look at the sump. Okay, so I've done that. I've cleaned out underneath. It's all perfectly fine in there. I've squeezed the sump and there's no bits and lumps in there. It's all fine. So now I can concentrate on getting this off. Okay, so that was pretty easy to get that off, to be honest, and as you can see it really needs it. Now the water inlet hose there only has this hook onto it. There's no Jubilee clip or anything, so it just hooks into there. There's a little bit of, I'll take you off. So as you can see there's rust on there, which I will rub down and rub off. A couple of cobwebs in there I will back out and just give it a bit of a general just clean up. Okay, day 2 of the Beko refurbishment cleanup. So I've addressed the rust issues with Corust. As you can see, the inside of that is really clean compared to what it was. I've dismantled the door and cleaned all of that. So I took the door off, as you saw. I need to put clean that. I need to put this back on. There we go. The door seals come up really well, but I will eventually take it off and clean it because there's still a bit grimy inside there, but for now, done. So reattach that. Okay, so the next thing we have to do now is put the front on. So I will do that now. And there we go, done, dusted, put back together, cleaned up, and looking so much better than what it did before we started. It's got a lovely shine to it now. Fortunately, I didn't scrub it that hard, but the descaler did actually mark it, so I'm gonna do some polishing on that, unfortunately. But it's all cleaned up. And I think it is time now to do a load in it. Okay, so let me get the camera set up and we'll do our first full-on demonstration.